Saudi Arabia, the world's largest construction site. Currently, Saudi Arabia is experiencing a construction boom. Among the key projects, The Line, a 170-kilometer-long future city environment aimed at creating a new residential model and comfortable living spaces. Oxon, the world's largest floating structure designed to be a zero-carbon advanced port. NEOM, a mega city in northwestern Saudi Arabia with over $500 billion invested in high-speed rail, tunnels, real estate, power grids, and various sports facilities. In this world's largest construction site, what role will you play? Join us in advancing non-fired brick and AEC block and panel projects. Leave me a message for a free full set of non-fired brick machine and AEC project planning solutions.